4th of July tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 4th of July, so let's go ahead and watch the fireworks. Jordan. I was on here first. No? I was on there before you. Okay, so I just go. I don't know.
I like those pretty ones, the glittery ones.
I don't know what other ones are.
Junior didn't get a time right or nothing.
Tomorrow is going to be a
That's,
lot of Yeah.
Streets everywhere.
Even us?
No, we don't have fireworks.
Where are the other fireworks? There's one right there.
Maybe Theolis will have some. He's very unique.
I don't like fireworks. I don't like them up close.
Are you illegal?
Nino.
Oh, can you hear that booming? Oh, there that one goes. There that one goes.
Alex!
Are you illegal? There it goes. There it goes. No.
No, Adam, do you have fireworks?
Do you have fireworks? Theo, do you have fireworks?
Nino.
No, there's one right there. There's one right there. There's a lot. That's a lot. All my legs are shaking right now. There's one right there. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, do you guys see that? Oh, that's so amazing. Okay, so let's go. I can't. Oh, there's one right there. Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, that one scared me. Oh, there's one right there.
Once a member, always a member.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Oh, there's one. Ah, dang. You scared me. There's one right there. Okay.
Oh, you should do it tomorrow.
So, tomorrow I'm gonna record the 4th of July. There's gonna be a lot of fireworks. I'm gonna hopefully do it out the window. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Okay, so let's get.
Oh, thank you.
Now waiting, now I'm starting here.
Yeah, you're looking at the camera. You like those, Ezra? You like those?
You want to?
Oh, there goes another one. Boom goes a firecracker. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, no. Another one. You guys really... Oh, that one's a big one. Oh, dang, that scared me. Oh, there... Oh, there's another one. Okay. So, imagine if what the? Oh, there's one right there. Okay, so imagine if there's like a flag firework. That would be so amazing. What is that? Oh yeah, Spider-Man. Not Spider-Man. Okay, so I'm watching SpongeBob right now.
All hail the magic And now another big subject.
Oh, that scared me. There's one right there. Right there, another one. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, where is it? What there? Oh, oh. Hi, Bougie. Where is it? Oh, there's one right there. Oh, another one. Another one.
Excuse me, Mrs. Pickles, but I can't resist a good joke. And folks like you, well, you fall for every darn one.
Nice to meet you, too.
And who's the little fella?
His name is Tommy. I hope it's okay we brought him, but our baby.
Pickles? Kids, don't think another thing of it.
Okay, so,
I love you, Pickles. Even your kids are sucker. You get it? Sucker?
Calling Mr. Waddle, honey. I know how valuable your time is, sir. So why don't I share
okay,
your
so,
Pickles, we'll get around to business later, but first let's get some
so that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh.